Have you noticed that your power bill getting out of control? Hi, I'm Daniel from Scope Facilities. I help property owners and managers avoid common maintenance problems before they turn into costly repairs. In this series, I'll share simple, practical tips to keep your property safe and running smoothly. Old lighting and dirty aircon filters are usually the hidden problem. Aircon systems work harder when filters are clogged, and halogen bulbs use way more power than LEDs. Clean your filters every few months and switch old lighting to LED to reduce energy waste. Scope Facilities helps homes stay energy smart and safe. This is your handyman mate form Scope, giving advice to make your property more suited for living. Drop your maintenance issue below, and we'll explain the solution in the next video.